bunq is an innovative and advanced bank that is redefining the traditional banking experience. Established in the Netherlands in 2015, it rapidly achieved renown due to its user-oriented approach, sophisticated technologies, and unwavering commitment to sustainability. At the heart of bunq's philosophy is the idea of empowering customers to take control of their money. Unlike typical traditional banks, bunq doesn't believe in any hidden fees or complicated financial language. Instead, it offers transparent and uncomplicated banking services, placing a strong emphasis on meeting customer needs. A singular, innovative feature of this bank is the capacity to create numerous bank accounts in mere seconds. Users are able to establish multiple distinct accounts, each equipped with its own unique IBAN number, which greatly enhances the efficiency and organization of budgeting and overall money management processes. The bank application is also a cornerstone of its banking experience. It offers a user-friendly interface that empowers customers to conduct various transactions, track all their expenses, and even effortlessly split bills with friends, supported by instant notifications and real-time insights. Customers remain in complete control of their financial activities. Along with its user-friendly interface, the bank treats security with utmost seriousness, utilizing robust security measures such as biometric authentication and encryption. This video will explore the advantages and disadvantages of bunq, detailing how to acquire an account and how to request a card via the application. The bunq app offers a user-friendly interface, making it easy for customers to manage their money, create multiple accounts, and perform transactions with ease. Furthermore, the bank maintains transparency regarding all fees and costs, thereby guaranteeing that its customers possess a comprehensive understanding of the charges tied to their banking transactions and services. As an innovative bank, bunq actively embraces technology and innovation, consistently introducing new features and improvements to enhance the user banking experience. The ability to create multiple accounts within bunq empowers customers to define their financial goals with efficiency and effectiveness. The bank places a strong emphasis on security, using advanced encryption and biometric authentication to protect customer data and transactions. bunq's commitment to sustainability also sets it apart from the pack. It plants a tree for every €100 spent, allowing customers to contribute to environmental protection. Furthermore, it provides comprehensive customer support across diverse channels, thus guaranteeing that clients can always connect to receive assistance whenever required. However, there are a few disadvantages when interacting with the bank. bunq is principally accessible to those living within the EU. This limited availability restricts access for potential customers outside the European Union. The bank also offers a range of membership plans, some of which come with monthly and annual fees, although the fees are transparent. It is essential for customers to carefully assess if the available plans are suitable for their banking requirements and financial budgets. And while bunq provides a variety of multi-currency accounts, international transactions might incur supplementary charges, posing a potential concern for frequent travelers or those engaged in extensive global financial activities. Additionally, as a relatively recent entrant into the banking sector, its client base may not yet rival that of well-established financial institutions, potentially sparking worries regarding its enduring viability and expansion trajectory. As for registering with the bank, it's a straightforward and simple process that can be fully completed online. Whether you're an individual or a business, opening an account with bunq gives you access to innovative banking solutions and a customer-centric experience. To begin, you should visit the official bank website utilizing your preferred web browser. bunq provides a variety of account types, encompassing personal, business, and joint accounts to cater to diverse financial needs. Choose the account type that aligns perfectly with your requirements, then proceed to click the registration button. Fill in the required information, including your full name, date of birth, contact details, and address. And for business accounts, you may be required to provide additional company information. bunq follows strict verification procedures to ensure security and regulatory compliance. You may need to provide identification documents like a valid passport or ID card and proof of address. bunq provides various membership plans, each with distinct features and pricing structures. Go over all the available options and pick the plan that precisely aligns with your banking needs. Upon successfully finalizing your registration and verification, you are able to deposit funds into your account by transferring money from your current bank account to your newly established bunq account. For a complete experience of all the bank's benefits, simply download the bunq mobile app from the iOS App Store or Google Play for your Android device. The app provides a user-friendly interface to manage your money and access the bank's features. Once your account is funded and the app is installed, you're ready to get started with the bank. Discover diverse features such as making multiple accounts, processing payments, monitoring expenses, and leveraging the innovative and sustainable banking services provided by bunq Bank. Following these outlined steps, you can also order a bunq Bank card. This bank's contemporary approach seeks to empower customers, making financial management both easier and more transparent. Upon registering with bunq Bank, you gain entry to a sophisticated, user-centric banking platform. This allows you to effortlessly manage your finances and access a range of contemporary banking advantages with just a simple click.